Hello, and welcome to Pondering in the Pines. Today, we're going to be experimenting with different fire making techniques, and this has always been one of my favorites since I was a kid, because it kind of seems like a magical thing to make fire out of a simple cotton ball and a little bit of ash left over from a fire. So first things that we're going to do is you're going to find where the cotton ball is put together. And we're just going to unroll that cotton ball all the way to the end. So you have one nice flat strip, like so. And then you're just going to take some of that ash from the fireplace and sprinkle it on the inside of the cotton ball. So once that's sprinkled out, just going to want to roll that cotton ball back up as tightly as you can. You want to keep as much of that ash inside as possible. So you'll be left with a little bundle about like this. Now, if you're really in a survival situation, you can use a flat part of a log or another flat rock. I don't recommend using your hand because that's pretty uncomfortable. But the pressure and speed here. So you're going to put that on your flat rock and then take your other flat rock, in this case a 2x4, and just put some firm pressure down and start to roll. So, a little bit more rolling. You want to look for smoke coming out of it, because sometimes it won't look like it's going, but it actually is. But, see, we've got some smoke coming off of that. So this is tinder bundles that I had pre-harvested, but you'd want to have your tinder bundles ready. You're just going to wrap that up a little bit and put it all the way in your tinder bundle. And there you have it.